Team Mekbots Animal Rescue. Team Mekbots Animal Rescue. When an animal's in trouble, our team is on the way. Using mighty Mekbot powers, we always save the day. Yeah! Gorilla Mech!
Lion Mech!
Rhino Mech! Bear Mech! Team Mekbots Animal Rescue. Team Mekbots Animal Rescue. Mekbot on!
It's perfect.
Your haircut? My grandpa looks like that.
Your grandpa must be one cool dude. And even better, Kawaii hooked up my bear mech with a matching do. Super styling bear hair.
That's scary.
You're jealous.
The alarm! It's an animal emergency. In Colorado.
Looks like a tornado.
He's threatening that herd of bison. Let's go.
Whoa. Hey, watch the hair.
Bison are beautiful animals. They can grow to nearly 7 feet tall and weigh over 2,800 pounds. That's heavier than most cars.
There's the tornado, and it's chasing the bison.
We can't let the bison go over that cliff. We need to move fast. Come on, Frost. Mekbot on! Gorilla Mech!
Mekbot on! Lion Mech!
Hair mech. Bear mech.
Team Mekbots Animal Rescue!
Oh yeah. Safe landing, Mekbots.
Thanks, Kawaii. Maitland and Frost, you guys keep the bison away from the cliff. I'll take on that tornado.
We'll do that with style.
Really, Frost?
Hey!
Come on!
But my hair!
Now for that tornado.
What's your plan, Mateo?
First, to not get trampled. Power leap! Now, I'm gonna knock that twister off course.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
Power punch! Hey, it's working. Bananas!
Oh,
We need to stop the bison from going over the cliff!
Oh, let's build a barrier.
Great idea!
ah! Success! Uh-oh. I'm okay.
That's using your head.
Why, thank you.
He stops the bison. Now Kawaii will stop the tornado.
I've got this.
What's your plan, Kawaii?
If I fly to the tornado at a 78-degree angle, I can interrupt its spinning. Well, that didn't work.
It's up to us, Frost.
Hey, wait up! Melon! Stop! I have to fix my hair.
You care more about your hair than saving these bison.
No way! Well, maybe.
What did you use to make the bear mech's hair?
Glue, liquid rubber, and a little maple syrup. Why?
That's why it stretches, and it's sticky.
For maximum hold and bounce.
That's it. Frost, come on.
Okay, what?
We're gonna use your hair.
No!
Yes, your hair is so sticky, it can bind to the dust and choke the tornado.
But...
Frost.
But it's so perfect.
The bison.
Fine. Here today, gone tomorrow.
Oh boy.
Looks like someone's gonna get a buzz cut. It's working! The tornado is gagging on the hairball! Not again! Seriously?
You're okay now, little guys.
That tickles!
We'll see you next time we're in Colorado.
Hey, dude! Nice hair!
Bye.
Hey, Frost, I can give your mech new hair. No need, Kawaii. Turns out it felt better to do good than to look good. But I would love my mech to have some green suede shoes. No, really! Guys!
97.
98. Frost, keep it going.
99! Oops, I got it! A fan? He's gonna cool off?
A new record.
Nice, Kawaii. You saved our streak.
101!
Kawaii, how'd you come up with that stick fan thing?
Sometimes you gotta think on the run. Oh, 102! Come on, guys!
Got it.
Oh man, am I the only one with any competitive spirit?
Hi, Nick. Hi, Nancy. What's going on? We're in the Gobi Desert.
And we're sorta, kinda, stuck.
Sit tight. We're on our way.
We've been camping here to observe Bactrian camels.
I love those. They're so shaggy and cuddly.
We named this one Cameron. He's less cuddly and more, feisty. Whoa!
We hiked up what we thought was a sand dune to give old Cameron a health check.
But then a big windstorm hit and blew away all the sand.
And our tent.
And now, we're stuck up here.
Don't worry, we're almost there. Landing on target, Gobi Desert, Mongolia.
Time for Team Mekbots. Mekbot on. Gorilla Mech.
Mechbot on. Lion Mech.
Mechbot on!
Rhino Mech.
Mechbot on! Bear Mech!
Be nice.
Don't worry, guys. We'll get you down. How about we climb up and carry them down in our backpacks?
Good idea. I'll go first. Power leap! I got this.
The rock tower's wobbly. Whoa!
Not gonna work. Our mech suits are too heavy.
Cameron's getting cranky. It's way past his lunchtime.
We need to get them down quick. Let's try the mech jet. Come on, Kawhi.
Blocking position. Engaging hover jets. And the tail. It's all you.
Be careful.
Don't worry. I'm here to save you.
Mateo, everything good out there?
Watch out!
It's a little breezy. Bananas, this isn't gonna work. Kawhi, reel me in, please.
Roger that.
We've got to try something else to get them down.
Hey, what about Nick and Nancy's tent? I call it the parachute popper. Nick and Nancy can inflate it and float down to safety.
Wow, another crazy clever kawaii invention.
Nick, Nancy, get on Cameron's back.
I don't know about that.
Come on, unless you got a better idea.
Now pull on the arrow.
I don't get it. What do I do?
Based on my calculations, they should land at that oasis.
Nice view from up here, huh, Nancy?
Yeah, those trees, the grasses, those sharp rocks. Sharp rocks?
Oh, that wouldn't be a happy landing.
Uh-oh, are we going down?
I don't want to crash! Mommy!
Oh no, the wind's changing.
What do? We can't let them crash.
We need a plan.
No problemo. We just gotta think on the run. And these are what we've got.
Our oxygen tanks.
For scuba diving. In the desert.
No. Scuba jet. For another balloon game. Only bigger. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Cool.
Oh, I can't look!
Me neither.
Don't get scared. We almost have you. This better work.
Ooh, what's going on down there?
I don't know!
Up and away.
My turn. We're not coming down here.
That's some competitive spirit. Take that, parachute.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
Oh no!
What?
Look at the camel. Look at the camel.
Got it. Back up with you guys.
Oh, we made it. We're okay.
Boy, am I glad to be back on solid ground.
Thanks for the save, you guys. Those rocks look awfully sharp.
Yeah, and I bruise like a peach.
We're just glad you two and Cameron are safe and sound.
Yeah, maybe Cameron will cheer up now.
That lumpy grumpus is always in a bad mood.
Oh, I wouldn't say that.
No, isn't that cute?
Well, Cameron, maybe you are a sweetheart after all. Or not.
Wow, she's beautiful. She wants to play. I can do that. She's an amazing flyer.
So are you, Kawhi.
I can't even keep up. Oh, I sure wish I could fly like that.
She'll be fine, but her wing will be sore for a few days. If it hurts, just remember to breathe. You'll be okay.
Sorry, Mama Eagle. I know you'll feel better soon.
And I also know you could teach Kawaii a thing or two about flying. Hey! But it is true.
Those are her eaglets calling from the eyrie.
The whatlets?
The eaglets. They're baby eagles, and their nests are called eyries. That's them calling.
They sound like they want their mom.
Guys, it's time to get this eagle back to her babies. I mean, her eaglets.
Well, if we fly the mech jet there, the thrusters might knock the nest off.
Only one option. It's time to climb. Let's mech up. Mekbot on! Gorilla mech!
Mechbot on! Lion mech!
Mechbot on! Rhino mech!
Mekbot
On! Bear mech!
We are Team Mekbots Animal Rescue!
Eyries are always found in high places. Is that your nest up there? That's really high.
No problem for you. You're the best climber of us all, Maylin.
And you're fearless. Say hi to the whatlets for me when you get up there.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm kind of scared to go that high.
But we've all seen you jump super high.
Every time I take a deep breath and try to go just a bit higher, and it works. But that is way higher.
But you're always the fearless one.
Hey, it's cool. Nobody is completely fearless. I'll take this one. You ready? Hold on tight, Mama Eagle. Time for a new plan. No! Whoa! Oh, bananas.
Well, looks like we need to figure out something else. I might have just the thing. I call it the Frost Flinger. When I release this lever, you will go shooting. When you say shooting? Flying then. Gracefully flying. Right up to the area where you will deposit the eagle with her brood. I've calculated your flight to within an inch. Fear not. Okay, I guess. As long as you give me a warning when... Why do I listen to you? Ah! Whoa! This is awesome! I was right. The distance is perfect. Within an inch. My back! I need to see the doctor after this. Oh.
I'll go up.
You sure?
I'm sure. Time to get you back to your eaglets. Power leap! One step at a time. Yikes. You can do this, Malin. You can. For those eaglets and for yourself.
You did it, Maylin! Good job!
So epic!
Hey, little friends. Whoa, Mama. You still need to rest your wing. Let me help you. You're welcome. I just wish I had your wings right now. But that gives me an idea.
I think she's gonna jump.
They're not wings, but they just might do.
Lands on her feet, am I right?
That was amazing!
So epic!
I thought you were flying!
How do you feel?
Great. I'd do it again. Except, maybe not right now.
Well, you saved an eagle and her whatlets, and you taught us a lesson.
Courage isn't about not being afraid, Maylin. It's being afraid, but acting anyway.